end of this calendar year. And once again, I would like to thank all our customers for their continued support, which has probably made this happen. It has also got an Audi virtual cockpit. It is a fully digital dashboard for the first time. And all the information, the entire cockpit is fitted around, it is around the driver. So all the information in terms of navigation to the dynamic control to infotainment features and all of this are actually accessible by the driver, making it far more comfortable and convenient for him when he is driving. In terms of comfort, like I said earlier, it is best in class space in the rear seats, a 480-liter boot, and very, very supple suspension leading to even more comfortable and relaxed rides. This also has a very nice and innovating feature called the Audi smartphone interface. What this feature does is it allows you to, it actually mirrors the your phone screen right on the dashboard, and you are able to do all the functions including sending text, WhatsApp, all these things right from your driver's steering seat, and that's something which is very, very convenient and very innovative.
Audi family has grown to over 2,800 customers, and before the end of the year, we will probably, end of the calendar year, we'll probably reach the magical milestone of 3,000 customers. And once again, I would like to thank all our customers for their continuous support and patronage for our brand. In terms of numbers current year, Hyderabad we have done 262 numbers, Vizag we have done 77 numbers. In terms of cumulative A4 sale from the inception, in the last few years, we have done close to 700 vehicles. 700 as a number, just to give you a perspective, is out of 2,800 cumulative sale which I just shared with you. Just to say that Audi A4 is the largest selling model for the brand.